Marina Dubai Beach, one of Dubai's top destinations, is famous for its stunning beauty and unique luxury. Located next to the Marina Dubai complex, this beach is not only a great spot to relax and enjoy the powdery white sands, but is also a vibrant water sports and entertainment hub. Marina Dubai Beach is located in a prime location on the coast in the southern region of Dubai, United Arab Emirates. This strategic location places Marina Dubai Beach at the heart of one of the fastest growing and classiest metropolitan areas in the world. Marina Dubai is not only one of the top tourist destinations, but also a prime example of human influence on the climate environment. With the rapid development of tourism and construction, Marina Dubai has become an area with significant differences from its original environment. What do you think about what we have shared? Leave your thoughts below in the comments section and let us know what you'd like to see more of in upcoming videos. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Animal nature and coral reefs play an important role in creating a rich and diverse ecological environment under the sea. Coral reefs not only provide habitat for a wide range of marine animals, but also provide food sources and shelter for them. Coral reefs are often home to corals, fish, worms, snails, and many other creatures. In addition, not only is it physical beauty, girls on the beach also exude attraction by showing happiness, gentleness and innocence in every conversation and activity. They make the beach space lively and colorful, making people around them feel comfortable and happy. Dubai Marina Beach is not only a popular tourist destination, but also an important milestone in the country's economic and tourism development. The impact of tourism at Marina Dubai is not limited to attracting international tourists, but also contributes positively to the economy and international image of the United Arab Emirates. Please subscribe and support Wandering Channel today to discover unique and exciting travel experiences. With quality videos and great images, we will bring you unforgettable journeys. Don't miss your chance to explore the world with us. Hit the subscribe button now.